Hello, this is Toby again with a review of the King gun, a cheap airsoft gun I bought on the blue market in Denmark. And if you're making fun of my mask, it's because my real mask is downstairs. I'm too lazy to go get down after it, actually. I see you. Okay, I think it's okay. What's that in dollars right now? It'll be around $5 maybe. You could buy this phone. It's 30 kroner. Yeah, that must be around $5. Yeah. No, we just say $6. Okay, it's got a laser sight. And it's got a magazine, of course. This is the magazine released right here. The magazine contains around, what was that, 10 BBs. It uses 0.12 gram BBs or 0.2 gram BBs. I use 0.12 gram BBs. That's only 4.12 gram BBs right now. It's cocked like this. It's a manual gun. And these are just to make the gun look weird. Okay, I don't want to point this at myself. This is the size. I don't know if you can see it. Well, doesn't care. It shoots around what's 100, 120 FPS, and that's not pretty hard. If we take this one, if we take this corner, I just shoot the corner from a long distance. You can see it's just, I don't think you can see it, but it's only a little thing. If you're wondering about the big holes in it, it was my AK that shot them. So, actually, I would say that this gun is pretty good for a beginner. Or, actually, it's just plastic, but it's an okay gun. I would recommend it if you're a beginner. Have fun. Thanks for watching.